welcome to Learn Yourself. Exercise 6.5, question number 1. PQR is a triangle right angled at P. So let us give name to this right angle triangle. It is right angle at P, so I am denoting P over here where the right angle is there, then P, Q and R. Now PQ is 10 centimeter. So PQ is 10 centimeter. The length of this side is 10 centimeter and PR is 24 centimeter. So this is 24 centimeter and we have to find out the QR. Now as per the Pythagoras theorem, the square on the hypotenuse. This is our hypotenuse. The opposite side of a right angle will be the hypotenuse. Now square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares on other two sides. As per this theorem, we can write here RQ square equals to PR square plus PQ square. Now let us write the values for the same. So 24 square, 576 plus 100. So our total is 676. Now let us take square root on both the sides. So RQ square will be equal to 676. So when we are taking square root, we will get RQ equals to 676 will be equal to 26 centimeter. So hypotenuse length will be 26 centimeter. Exercise 6.5, question number 2. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So let us write C over here where the right angle is there. So A, B and C. In that right angle is C. AB is 25. AB is 25. So here we got measure for hypotenuse that it is 25 centimeter. Now AC is 7 centimeter. So this side is 7 centimeter and we have to find the side BC. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on other two sides. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square equals to AC square plus CB square. Now let us insert the values. So it is 25 square equals to 7 square plus CB square. Now CB square equals to, we will get 125 minus 49. So CB square equals to, we will get 576. Now when we are taking square root at both the side, we will get CB equals to 24 centimeter. Exercise 6.5, question number 3. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground. So let us imagine this situation over here, that 15-meter long ladder. So this is our ladder which is 15 meter long. It is reaching till the window and that window is, this is our ground and this window is 12 meter high from the ground. So this distance is 12 meter and ladder is reaching till the window, its height is 15 meter. From the ground, on placing it against a wall at distance A, placing it against a distance from a wall. So a wall at distance A. So this distance from where the wall is starting until the ladder is there, this distance is A. Find the distance of a foot of the ladder from the wall. So this distance we have to find out, which is A. Here as you can see, this blue line represents the triangle which is right angle. So we have to find out the length for the one side, that is A, as per the Pythagoras theorem. Now why we are applying Pythagoras theorem here? Because here wall and ground's angle will be always 90 degree. So that's why this angle will be right angle and this triangle is right angle triangle. That's why we are applying here Pythagoras theorem. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, this ladder side will be our hypotenuse. So it is going to be 15 square equals to, these are two sides. One side is this, that is 12 meter and second side is this, which we have to find out. So 12 meter, 12 square plus A square, which we have to find out. So A square will be equal to 225 minus 144. So A square will be equal to 81. Now when we are taking square root at both the side, A will be equal to 9 meter. And why we have written meter here? Because this both sides unit, we got it in meter. So that's why 9 will also be a meter. So the distance of the foot from the ladder will be 9 meter. Exercise 6.5, question number 4. Which of the following can be the sides of right angle? So there are three numericals for that. We have to check for each and every one that whether this triangle is right angle or not. In case of right angle triangle, identify the right angle. So which will be the right angle that we have to find out. Now first of all, first thing we are using, that is Pythagoras theorem. As per the Pythagoras theorem, the square on hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square on other two sides. So if our triangle is ABC, B is the right angle in the triangle, then AC will be the hypotenuse. As per this, it will be AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. When we are adding square of these two sides, it should be equal to the hypotenuse square. If this is true for all these three numericals, then that is right angle. We will give name to the triangle and we will suggest that what can be the right angle in that particular triangle. So let us start with the first numerical. And into this, how we can recognize the hypotenuse? The longest side will be our hypotenuse. So in this 6.5 is the longest, so that will be the hypotenuse. Here 5 centimeter is longest, so that will be hypotenuse. And in third numerical 2.5 is the longest, so that will be the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means AC. So let us start with our first numerical. In this, they have given us measure, that is 2.5, 6.5 and 6 centimeter. So this is our triangle ABC. In this, our hypotenuse is 6.5. Other two sides are 6 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So now as per the Pythagoras theorem, that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So 6.5 square will be equal to 2.5 square plus 6 square. So here we will get 6.5 square will be equal to 42.25, whereas here 2.5 square will be equal to 6.25 plus 36. So 42.25 will be equal to, when we are adding this two, we will get 42.25. So this both side RHS is equals to LHS, so that's why this triangle ABC is right angle. So here we can write triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Now which angle will be the right angle? So if AC is hypotenuse, then opposite to that the angle will be the right angle. So angle B is right angle into that. Our second numerical, let us draw the right angle triangle first and we'll give name that A, B and C. Now as per the given measure, we have three sides, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now the longest side will be our hypotenuse, that is AC. So this side's measure will be 5 centimeter and other two side will be 2 centimeter. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, going to check here that whether this triangle is right angle or not. So that's why as per the Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is 5 square will be equal to 2 square plus 2 square. So 5 square will give us 25, whereas here we will get 4 plus 4. So 25 is not equal to 8. So RHS is not equal to LHS. So this triangle is not right angle triangle. So our answer will be triangle ABC is not, or given triangle is not right angle triangle. Third numerical. So let us draw first the right angle triangle and let us give name A, B and C. Now as per the given measure, it is 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter is the longest one, so that's why our hypotenuse measure will be 2.5 centimeter. And then two sides will be 1.5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. The longest side will be the hypotenuse side. Now, as per the Pythagoras theorem, we are going to check here that whether this triangle is right angle or not. So for that, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Now let us insert the value. AC square is 2.5 centimeters square equals to 1.5 square plus 2 square. So we will get here 6.25 will be equal to 2.25 plus 4. So 6.25 will be equal to, the addition of this two will give us 6.25. So RHS is equals to LHS. So here this triangle is right angle triangle. Now, which angle will be right angle in this triangle? So opposite to hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse is AC. So opposite to hypotenuse, whichever angle will be there, that will be right angle. So angle B will be right angle. So triangle ABC or given measures triangle is right angle triangle and angle B is right angle. So two things we are going to remember in this kind of numericals. That first one is the longest side will be the hypotenuse, and second, the opposite angle to hypotenuse will be right angle in the triangle. So these two things we are going to remember in this kind of numericals. Exercise 6.5, question number 5. A tree is broken at height of 5 meter from the ground. So as per the picture, if we are imagining, then this is our ground surface and it has been broken at the height of 5 meter. So this height we are guessing is 5 meter from the ground, and its top touches the ground like this, as this branch is touching to the ground at the distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. So this distance, what we are seeing, is 12 meter from the base of the tree. So this is our base of the tree. So from there till the top of the branch distance is 12 meter. So if we are looking here carefully, then this is a triangle and it is a right angle triangle. And this is going to be our right angle where the tree's base is touching to the ground. So from the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the length of this hypotenuse. Once this hypotenuse length we will find out, we can find out the length of the broken branch. So that will come here and collectively we will find out the length of the full tree. So let us find out the hypotenuse length as per our Pythagoras theorem. To do so, let us give name to this triangle, that A, B and C. So this is our triangle. So as per the Pythagoras triangle, AC square equals to, so AB square and BC square we know it is 5 square plus 12 square. So 25 plus 144. If you do not want to give name to this triangle, then you can simply write here the length of hypotenuse and square of that. Like that you can write if you do not want to give name to this triangle. Here we have given names. So AC equals to, AC square equals to, we will get 169. While taking square root at both the side, we will get AC equals to 13 meter. Now length of this broken branch is 13 meter. Now if we want to collectively find out the length of tree, then we have to add this 13 meter into 5 meter. So length of the tree will be equal to 13 meter plus 5 meter will be equal to 18 meter in total. Exercise 6.5, question number 6. Angle Q and R of PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree as per the figure. Write which of the following is true. So these statements are as per the Pythagoras theorem. If we want to find out that which statement is true, then we have to find out that which side is our hypotenuse. For that, let us first find out the angle P's measure. as per the angle sum property. So as per the angle sum property of triangle, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R's total should be 180 degree. We do not know the measure of angle P, but we do know for angle Q and angle R. So that we are placing the value for that. So angle P will be equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So angle P will be equal to 90 degree. Now angle P is right angle here. Now we know that the side opposite to right angle will be our hypotenuse. So this side is hypotenuse. That means as per the Pythagoras theorem, so now we know that which side is hypotenuse. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, we can write that QR square equals to QP square plus PR square. Now this statement is second statement. So second statement is true, whereas the first and third statement are not true. Answer is going to be as per the given details, the second statement is true. Exercise 6.5, question number 7. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter. Now let us give name to this rectangle, that A, B, C and D. Now they are saying length is 40 centimeter. So DC and AB, these two are the length, where length are equal and breadth are equal. So length is 40 centimeter. So this length is also going to be 40 centimeter. And its diagonal is 41 centimeter. Now what is a diagonal? DB and AC will be the diagonal. Now one of the diagonal they have given, that is 41 centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter. For perimeter we need to know other side of the rectangle. So for that we have to find out the BC and AD's measure. So how we are going to find out that? If you will carefully see, we can locate here a right angle triangle, as all the angles of rectangle are right angle here. All the angles are right angles. So if we are assuming this triangle, the triangle DBC, the C is going to be our right angle. So in triangle DBC, we can write that as per the Pythagoras theorem, that DB square equals to DC square plus BC square. So one of the sides measure we can find out as per the Pythagoras theorem. DB square we know it is 41 square. Now DC square we know it is 40 square. And this side's measure we need to find out. So 41 square is going to be 1681 minus 1600 equals to BC square. Now BC square is going to be 81. While taking square root at both the side, we will get BC equals to 9. So here we got the breadth of the rectangle. From here we can find out the perimeter of the rectangle, because we know length and breadth of the rectangle. So for perimeter of rectangle we can simply add 2 and will write L plus B. So or you can add all the side like this, that 40 plus 40 plus 9 plus 9. So 2 into the bracket 40 plus 9. So we will get here 2 into the bracket 49. So 2 in multiplication with 49, we will get 98 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle will be 98 centimeter. Exercise 6.5, question number 8. The diagonals of rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find the perimeter. So we have to find out the measure of the side for this rhombus, and we know that all sides are equal in rhombus. Let us give name to this rhombus, that A, B, C and D. We are drawing here diagonals, and one of the diagonals measure is 16 centimeter and another is 30 centimeter. Now we know that when diagonal intersect with each other, that is a right angle. Now if this is a right angle, then opposite to right angle, this AB is going to be our hypotenuse. For the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the length of this hypotenuse when we have the length of this two side. Now how we are going to measure the length of this side? We do have diagonals over here. Now diagonals intersect each other with equal distance. So this is 16 centimeters. So if we are giving name here in between O, then DO plus OB is going to equal to DB. So this distance is equal. O is the midpoint of DB. So DO and OB's distance will be 8 centimeter. So OS distance we can write 15 centimeter, the half of the 30 centimeter, and OB's distance we can write 8 centimeter, that is half of the 16 centimeter. So now we got the measure of this two side. So now let us assume this triangle into the figure, that triangle OAB. If we are checking this triangle, then as per the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is opposite to the right angle. So AB square will be equal to OA square plus OB square. So AB square we are going to find out. OA square we know it is 15 square. OB square we know it is 8 square. So it is going to be 225 plus 64. So AB square is going to be 289. While taking square root at both the side, we will get AB equals to 17. So one of the side measure we got it here, and that is 70. So all sides are equal in rhombus. So we got the measure for all the side here, and that is 17 centimeter. From here we can find out the perimeter of the rhombus. So 4 into L, we are going to get 4 into 17 will be equal to 68 centimeter will be the perimeter for the rhombus. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself.